ॐ येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंवृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्षवेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। उपदेश साहस्री तत्वमसि प्रकरणम। आचार्य is explaining that the dhatu has prakriti artha and pratyaya artha. These two, according to Purvapaksha, they belong to the same entity called ahankara. So aham gacchami, aham karomi, aham pathami, etc. The karta is ahankara and kriya is also of the same ahankara. This is Purvapaksha mata. And Siddhanti says, no, they are two different. Atma is different. And buddhi, jada buddhi is different. Between them there is anyanya adhyas. So Purvapakshi asked, where did you see these two ashraya? The Prakriti Pratyaya having two different ashraya is neither seen in Loka Prayoga nor it is seen in Vyakarana Smriti. Up to this we saw in 52nd shloka. Now shloka number 53, page number 264. प्रकृति प्रत्ययोर एकाश्रयत्व मात्रम अस्मन्मते न संगच्छत इति उच्यते किंवा परमार्थतः तयोर एकाश्रयत्वम न संगच्छते. You have to connect again. Purvapakshi is asking prakriti pratyayoho, not Purvapakshi, Siddhanti. Means Siddhanti is refuting. Purvapakshi said that there is ekashraya. According to Siddhanti, Prakriti and Pratyaya has two ashrayas. So Prakriti Pratyayoho ekashrayatva matram asman mate, according to Siddhanti, asman mate na sangachate. Is this what you are saying? Purvapakshi is asking this part. Iti uchyate किंवा और परमार्थतः तयोः एकाश्रयत्वं न संगच्छते. परमार्थतः from absolute plane that these two cannot be in one. Prakriti and Pratyaya cannot be in one. This is the question. Sangachate. Gam dhatu is परस्मय पद और आत्मनेपद. And how it became gachate. There is a sutra. Samo gami richi prachi swarati arti shru vidibhyah. 1:329. Samo, Gami, Richi, Prachi, Swarati, Arti, Shru, Vidibhya. In all these dhatus, Atmanepada Pratyaya will come. So, Gam dhatu will become Sangachate, Richa will become Samrichate, Pracha will become Samprichate, some upasarga. They all need some upasarga. That's why Samaha. Samo, first word is Sama. Samshrunute. Samshrunoti is also there. In Akarmaka Pratyaya, only it will be Atmanepada. In Sakarmaka Pratyaya, it will become Parasmaipada Pratyaya. But anyway, you can see the details later. So now, Siddhanti refutes the first mata. Atma bhasastuting vachyo धात्वर्थश्च धिय क्रिया उभयञ्च विवेकेन जानातीत्युच्यते मृषा आत्मा भासस्तुतिं वाच्यो धात्वर्थश्च धिय क्रिया उभयञ्च विवेकेन जानातीत्युच्यते मृषा आत्मा भास इस तिंग शब्द वाच्य सिद्धांति से means the tip pratyaya in that the karta artha is for chidabhasa. Atma bhasastu tingvachya. Dhatu artha is dhiyah kriya. Dhatu arthasya dhiyah buddhehe kriya. Ubhayam cha vivekena janati iti mrisha uchyate. Between them there is aviveka. Avivekena mrisha kim uchyate janami iti. That is adhyas. Tu shabda hai shanka nishedhartha. Atma bhasastu. Purvapakshi shanka. Purvapakshi thinks dhatu artha and tip pratyaya both should be for one ashraya. In one ashraya only. Means there is one karta and the kriya is also happening there. Siddhanti saying is no. Siddhanti says the karta is chidabhasa and kriya is in buddhi vritti. Atma bhaso buddhi gatas ting vachya pratyaya vachya. Atma bhasa. Where is Atma bhasa? In buddhi. So buddhi gataha. Ting vachya. Pratyaya vachya. Ting pratyaya. Dhiyo buddhehe kriya vritti rupa dhatu artha prakriti artha. And buddhi kriya is where vritti is there, which is the meaning of the dhatu. Dhatu artha is always kriya. This point also you note down. तथा च आत्मा भासो बुद्धिश्च इति उभयम च अविवेकेन. So between them there is adhyasa first. Chidabhasa and buddhi. Otherwise you call sahaja tadatmya. But it is tadatmya, adhyasa. Avivekena paramartha atma avivekena mrishaiva janati iti uchyate. Once if I know Atma, then I will know Buddhi also, I will know Chidabhasa also. In Panchadashi, at one place, Vidyaranya Swamiji says, the one who knows the difference between Atma, Chidabhasa and Buddhi attains realization. But knows means I am alert. In whatever I do, I know Atma is different, Buddhi is different. In Buddhi there is Chidabhasa. All these things I am alert about. Not that when the shloka comes, tika comes, yes, 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 I know. And then I forget. Mrishaiva, mithya means out of aviveka, janati iti uchyate. तथा च आत्मा आभास व्याप्त क्रियावत बुद्ध्यैक्य अध्यासात् आत्मा जानाति इति एकाश्रयत्व अवभासः. Just as between Atma and Buddhi there is Chidabhasa and Buddhi there is Adhyasa, in the same way Chidabhasa Buddhi together has Adhyasa with Atma also. तथा च Atma Abhasa Vyapta Kriya. So this is Yatra Yatra Atma Abhasa Tatra Tatra Kriya, Kriyavat Buddhi, Kriyavali, Kriyavan, Kriyavat Buddhi. Here Aikya is there, Aikya Adhyasad. Atma Janati iti ekashrayatva avabhasah. And then I get the notion, there is one ashraya. Who Atma? Atma knows. Atma Janati iti ekashrayatva avabhasah. Prakriti pratyayoho ihapi na anupapanna. Iha means here also, in case of Atma also, this avabhasa, or in case of here, iha means you just take it as between buddhi and chidabhasa at first level there. Then second level we will take atma and this abhasa buddhi. Different people put it differently. You can put all the three together also, or between two there is confusion for sure. Dvitiyam pratyaha, now the second one. Na buddher avabodhosti atmano vidyate kriya ato nanyatarasyaapi janati iti cha yujyate. न बुद्धेरवबोधोऽस्ति नात्मनो विद्यते क्रिया अतो नान्यतरस्यापि जानातीति च युज्यते. बुद्धेः अवबोधो नास्ति, आत्मनो क्रिया नास्ति, क्रिया न विद्यते, अतो न अन्यतरस्यापि जानाति इति च युज्यते. Buddhi doesn't have jnanam, Atma does not have vikara, kriya. Therefore, neither of them can become one ashraya of janati. Buddhi by itself is jada, Atma is avikari. So, what is the Atma Bodha shloka?
Atmano vikriya nasti buddher bodho na jatviti जीवन सर्वमलं ज्ञात्वा ज्ञाता दृष्टेति मोह्यति.
Atma Bodha, we have seen this already. Atmano vikriya nasti buddhir bodho na jatviti. Samyak vicharyamane kriyavatya buddhehe avabodhaschit prakasho nasti. If you do samyak vichara, then kriyavatya buddhehe avabodhaschit prakasho nasti. Napi atmano avabodha svabhavasya kriya vidyate. Buddhi, when you do samyak vichara, then you realize buddhi which is kriyavati, kriyavatya buddhehe. Kriyavati, the ting pratyay is there, striyang tin. Kriyavati buddhi, buddhehe avabodha chit prakasho nasti. Buddhi does not have chaitanya prakash. napi atmano avabodhas. Then somebody says, okay, but atma is avabodha swabhava. At least atma can have knowledge. Say atmano avabodha swabhavasya kriya na vidyate. Atma doesn't have kriya. This is like andhapangu nyaya. One is blind, another is handicapped. So blind doesn't know direction and handicapped cannot walk. So what happens? They come together. This is called andhapangu nyaya. Or what is the other nyaya? Some of you probably know. In Advaita Siddhi we saw Dagdhashva Ratha Nyaya. Anybody remembers this?
Yes, Swamiji.
Bas. Nobody else remembers.
Yes, Swamiji.
Dagdhashva and Ratha. Some chariot is destroyed, some horses are lost. So other part of the horse, other part of the chariot, other part of the one. That is the idea given there. Dagdhashvaratha nyaya. अतो नान्यतरस्यापि जानाति अवगच्छति इति निर्देशो युज्यते. न अन्यतरस्यापि. Neither one of them can be having this pratyaya or this understanding janami, avagacchami in this way. तथा च प्रतीति मात्र शरणैः आरोपित तद ऐक्य विषयत्वं जानात्यादेर आश्रयणीयम् इति न लोक व्यवहार विरोधः स्मृति विरोधो वा भवति इत्यर्थः. The Purva Pakshi said, but loka vyavahar we see one ashraya. Smriti, Vyakarana Smriti shows only one. If I say Chaitraha Gacchati, Gam Dhatu indicates Kriya. Kriya is Gamana Kriya. Kriyavan is Chaitraha. And Tip Pratyaya is also indicating Chaitra only. Ekvachan. Pratham Purusha. In this way. So how it is possible? He says, Pratiti Matra Sharanaihi, those who are only Pratiti Matra Sharanaha. Pratiti Matram Sharanam Yesham. Te Pratiti Matra Sharanaha. Taihi Pratiti Matra Sharanaihi. Pratiti Matra Sharana means, what I see only that much I understand. I can't think much. So these people, they don't have any par vision. They are bal buddhi, very aparipakva buddhi, those people who have. What do? They do aropa between Atma and Buddhi. Aropita tad aikya vishayatvam janatyadehe ashrayaniyam. They will have aropita aikya vishayatvam. Iti na loka vyavahara virodha smriti virodho va bhavati. Then there is no loka vyavahara virodha na smriti virodha. Now, in the last session, I had explained some vyutpattis. So he takes one after the other. Yatha janati iti jnaha iti kartru vyutpatya buddhyatmanor ekaikasmin janati arthanupapattihi. Janati iti jnaha, this vyutpatti is called kartru vyutpatti. In other words, you say janati iti jnaha, jnanam means atma or jnanam is karta. Karta arthe jnana, jnana shabda. So he says, neither buddhi can know nor atma can know alone. And therefore, buddhyatmanoho ekaikasmin janati iti artha anupapatti. Janati artha will not fit there. Alone in buddhi, alone in atma. नापि मिलितयोः तदुपपत्तिः. Together also it will not work. How? आत्मा is चैतन्य, बुद्धि is जड़, परमार्थ तो जड़ा जड़योर ऐक्य अयोगात. In reality, they both cannot come together. नान्यतर संधि निमित्त अन्यतरस्मिन् उभय आश्रयता इति घटते. There is no other sandhi nimitta, nanyatara sandhi nimitta, anyatarasmin. There is no other way these two can come together, buddhi and atma. And in anyatarasmin, in one of them, both are ashrita, that is also not possible. Then what is possible? Is only one thing is possible. If you accept adhyasa. If you accept adhyasa between atma and buddhi, then everything, jada, ajada, sambandha, yes. Janami, janati, everything will work. Adhyasa vyatirekena sandhi sannidhe anirupana. Sannidhi means sanyoga. Without adhyasa, this sanyoga is not possible. The only way we can explain everything is using adhyasa. So look, as I mentioned in the last session, Bhagavan Bhashyakara is emphasizing adhyasa in this chapter heavily. All the problems are because of adhyasa alone, and therefore the solution is jnana. Otherwise, I will not know how to solve the problems. Those who don't understand adhyasa as the problem, they will not know whether I have attained moksha or not. Then what they are going to pursue? Who is the Mukhya Purvapaksha of this chapter? Prasankhyan. Prasankhyanavadi. तथा ज्ञप्तिर्ज्ञानम इति भाव व्युत्पत्त्यापि ज्ञान शब्द प्रयोग आत्मनि न घटते इत्याह. भाववाचक नाम. So janati he explained in 53-54. Now he says bhava vyutpatti. Jnaptir jnanam. Bhava vyutpattyapi jnana shabda prayoga atmani na ghatate. In atma jnana shabda prayoga will not work. What is bhava vyutpatti? Bhava vyutpatti means the meaning of the dhatu artha itself. Without anything else. See, if I say gacchati, so then if I take it as kartru vyutpatti, I will say chaitraha. If I say karma vyutpatti, it will be gramam. But bhava means only gamanam, nothing else. Napyato bhava shabdena ज्ञप्तिरित्यपि युज्यते न ह्यात्मा विक्रिया मात्रो नित्य आत्मेति शासनात्. नाप्यतो भाव शब्देन ज्ञप्तिरित्यपि युज्यते न ह्यात्मा विक्रिया मात्रो नित्य आत्मेति शासनात्. न अपि अतः भाव शब्देन ज्ञप्ति ही इति अपि युज्यते. First line, Anvaya is as is. Ataha, therefore, by Bhava Shabda, Nyapti is also not an appropriate meaning. Why? Atma nahi vikriya matra hai. Nitya Atma iti shasanat. Atma does not undergo any modification. And Atma is Nitya. This is the Shruti. So, Dhatu Artha means Kriya. According to Panini Maharshi ji, Dhatu Artha is always indicating Kriya. And therefore, like how we say Kriya Karaka Phalam. So, Kriya is there, then all Karakas are there, 6 Karakas from Karta all the way up to Adhikarana, except for Sambandha Vibhakti. Shashti is not there. All the others are Karta. Then put together, they will accomplish something. So here, if you take Bhava meaning of Dhatu, any Dhatu, it will mean Kriya. And Atma is Abhikari. In Atma, there is no Kriya. नहीं आत्मा विक्रिया मात्र है. आत्मा is not vikar matra. Means Atma is avikari. See टीका. भाव शब्देन धात्वर्थ सामान्य वचनेन ज्ञप्तिर्विद्या. If you do bhavachak sanya, भाव शब्देन धातु अर्थ is indicated. धातु अर्थ सामान्य, सामान्य वचनेन ज्ञप्तिर ज्ञानम. This will be the व्युत्पत्ति. इति व्युत्पत्त्या ज्ञान शब्द प्रयोगे अज्ञान शब्द प्रयोगः आत्मनि न युज्यते. आत्मा cannot be called ज्ञानम. Why? Because that means vikara. अतः इति उक्तम हेतुम व्यनक्ति. Why? Because नहीं आत्मा विक्रिया मात्रो. विक्रिया मात्रत्वे पारतंत्र्येण. If Atma is vikari, it will be dependent. Dependent on what? Some nimitta will come, then it will undergo modification. That nimitta is gone, modifications will stop. Paratantriyana Atmano anityatva prasanga. Then Atma will become anitya. And that is anishtam. Why? Because Atma is nitya. Nitya Atmeti Shruti Shasana Rityartha. तथा further जानति इति ज्ञः इति कर्तृ व्युत्पत्त्या ज्ञप्तिर ज्ञानम इति भाव व्युत्पत्त्या च आत्मनि ज्ञान शब्द अनुपपत्तिः. So Atma cannot be ज्ञानम as जानति इति ज्ञः कर्तृ व्युत्पत्त्या. ज्ञप्तिर ज्ञानम भाव व्युत्पत्त्या. So these two are eliminated. तथा ज्ञायते अनेन इति करण व्युत्पत्त्या. ज्ञायते इति ज्ञानम इति कर्म व्युत्पत्त्या च. So now करण व्युत्पत्ति and कर्म व्युत्पत्ति are taken. करण व्युत्पत्ति ज्ञायते अनेन इति ज्ञानम. What is the ज्ञान कारणम? बुद्धि. ज्ञान कारणम is बुद्धि. You have to remember, from 50th shloka onwards, this chapter has taken a flight. It is not how it was before. Just simple, okay? You will have to be more alert. Otherwise, after this portion will be even more difficult. If you don't catch things now, you will miss the later. There are so many more shlokas now. And that's why some Vyakarana is also needed. Jnayate anena iti jnanam. Karana Vyutpatti means, what is the Karana for jnanam? Buddhi. So then jnana shabda vyavahara will happen in buddhi. Jnayate iti jnanam. If you say karma vyutpatya, then in Atma when you do jnana shabda prayoga, what is known, that will be called jnana. So then ghata is also known. So ghata you will have to say jnana. So jnana shabda pravritti there also is not possible. But he gives other reasons, see, technical reasons. Nabuddher buddhivachyatvam karanam nahya kartrikam napijñāyata ityevam karma shabdair nirupyate. Nabuddher buddhivachyatvam karanam nahya kartrikam napijñāyata ityevam karma shabdair nirupyate. Buddhivachyatvam buddhehe na. Na means you should understand. Na tu atmana. Buddhivachyatvam is of buddhi. It is not of the atma. How can you say atma is jnana karana? Karana vyutpatti if you take. Number 1 point. So buddhivachyatvam buddhehe na tu atmana. Then karanam nahi akartrikam. And karana is not without karta. If you say Atma is Karana for Jnanam, then who is Karta? Because Karana cannot function on its own. Okay, not Karana Vyutpatti, Karma Vyutpatti. Jnayate iti Jnanam. Naapi Jnayate iti evam Karma Shabdair Nirupyate. And you cannot use Atma as Jnayate iti Jnanam, Karma Vyutpatti. Then what will happen? If you say Atma is karma of the jnanam, Atma will be karta also, Atma will be karma also, then there is karta karma virodha. Same thing cannot be karta and karma. And you say, no, Atma is karma, but some other karta, then who is the karta? Tika. Buddhyate anaya iti buddhihi. That by which something is known, that is called buddhi. Buddhi paribhasha is given. Buddhyate anaya iti buddhihi iti vyutpatya. Buddhi shabda vachyatvam buddhehe antakaranasya na atmanah syat. Buddhi shabda vachyatvam buddhehe. See, that first father of the shloka, na buddher buddhi vachyatvam. So if you read just like that, buddhehe buddhi vachyatvam na, that is not the meaning. Buddhi vachyatvam buddhehe eva, na tu atmana. Tatra hetuhu karanam. What is the hetu? Because buddhi is karanam, and karanam cannot be without karta. Karana vyutpatti. So karanam iti. He doesn't explain first further. It gives it. Karana vyutpatti pakshe buddhi shabda vachyasya atmanah karanatva apattau. If you say karana vyutpatti, then atma will become karana. Atmanah karanatva apattau. Kartrantara abhavat. Then who is the other karta? There is no other karta. Kartrantara abhavat. Akartrikam karanam syat. That karana will become akartrikam without the karta. So that is it cannot function as karana. If there is no karta, who will take the karana, who will function? You know, in Brahma Sutra, Atma is presented as karta.
Yes, Swamiji.
How it is
To
presented?
refer to Sankhya. Sankhya says Atma is Karta and Bhokta.
Atma is akarta. Sankhya says Atma is akarta. So Vedanta says Atma is karta. How Atma is karta? Only when Atma has karana. Really it is not karta. Like yatha takshaka, a carpenter, when he has instruments, then he is karta. Without instrument, he is just wearing normal clothes and he is walking somewhere. He is not karta. He is not carpenter at that time. In Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, we have seen this. I hope those who are studying Brihadaranyaka, they remember this. Nahi karanam akartrikam vachit drashtam ityartha. A karana is not karana without a karta. Tatha. So between syat and nahi, if you want, you can put comma. Tatha. So karana nisheda is done. Now karma. Jnayate iti jnanam iti karma shabdairapi atma na nirupyate. Jnayate iti jnanam. By this karma shabda also atma cannot be described. Why? Na nirupyate na samyak uchyate. Swasya swavedyatva anupapatte. Atma cannot be karta and karma of jnana kriya. Means I know myself. Swasya swavedyatva anupapatte is inappropriate. Jnatrantarasya abhavacha. And there is no other jnata. Who else will become jnata? If you say Atma is karma, then you need karta. Jnatrantarasya abhavacha. Na karma vyutpatti api iha ityartha. How many we have negated so far?
Four, Swamiji. Kartu, bhava vyutpatti, karana vyutpatti, and karma vyutpatti.
So karta, karma, karana, and bhava. Four vyutpattis are negated. This karta shastrartha vatvat, this was given in Brihadaranyaka, page 96. Now somebody says, let us use adhikarana vyutpatti. Because in Nayayika, what is Atma for them? Atma is jnana adhikarana. Jnana adhikaranatvam.
Atma.
Atmatvam. Jnayate asmin iti jnanam iti vyutpatyantaram asti iti chet. Somebody says, there is another vyutpatti. Jnayate asmin. Asmin in the locus adhikarana. Iti jnanam. This vyutpatti is there. Vyutpatyantaram asti iti chet. Tatra vaktavyam. Jneyadharatva matram. Jnana shabdena ihe uchyate. Jnatratve sati jneyadharatvam va. So are you saying it is Jnaya Adhara? Jnana Shabda is indicating Jnaya Adharatva Matram, Jnana Shabdena Uchyate, or Jnatratve Sati Jnaya Adharatva. It is Jnata and it is Jnaya Adhara also. If you say no, it is only Jnaya Adhara, then Bhutala is also Ghatasya Adhara and Ghata is Jnaya. Jnaya Ghata, Ghatadi Adhara, Bhutala Derapi, Vyutpatti Yogat, ज्ञान शब्द अभिधेयत्व प्रसंगात। ज्ञेय इज घट, घट से आधार इज भूतल, ज्ञेय घटादि आधार भूतलादेरपि व्युत्पत्ति योग इज देयर, ज्ञेय आधारत्वम इज देयर इन भूतल आल्सो। व्युत्पत्ति योगा ज्ञान शब्द अभिधेयत्व प्रसंगात, सो ज्ञान शब्द विल गो इन वेयर? Where Jnana Shabda will go?
Atma. In Atma.
No.
Bhutala.
Bhutala. Bhutal also you will have to call Jnana. Why? It is Jnaya Adhara. Jnaya is Ghata, Ghata se Adhara is Bhutala. So there also this Shabda will go. Na Dvitiyaha. Dvitiya Vikalpa is Jnatratva Sati Jnaya Adharatva. So Bhutala at least is not Jnata. So there it will not go. It says Atmano Jnatratvasya Nirakritatvat. Atma cannot be Jnata. Other Jnata is not there. So Jnatratva Sati Jnayadharatvam, this Paksha itself will not work. Atmano Jnatratvasya Nirakritatvat. Iti ayam Paksho Ati Sthula. This Paksha is Ati Sthula, means too insignificant. Iti acharya hi upekshita iti drashtavya. That's why in Moolam, Adhikarana Vyutpatti is not given only. Only Tikakar takes it and refutes it quietly. Evam Mukhyaya Vritya Jnanadi Shabdavaচ্যत्वम Atmano na upapadyate. So through Mukhya Vritti, Jnanadi Shabdavaচ্যत्वम Atmano na upapadyate. Iti Pratipadite. This Pratipadanam is done. Tava api etat tulyam. Purva Pakshi says this is true for you also. If none of these will see, Vedanti doesn't have problem. Why? Because Vedanti will say, we don't say Atma is Karta. We don't say Atma is Karma. We don't say Atma is Karana. We don't say Atma is Adhikarana also. In Vyavaharik Satta, Atma is not Adhikarana. And Atma is also not Vrityatmaka Jnanam. So, Kartri Vyutpatti will not work. It's a very good, that's what we say, Atma is Akarta. Karma Vyutpatti will not work. We say very good, Atma is Aprameya according to us. Karana Vyutpatti will not work. We say yes, Atma is not Karana. Adhikarana Vyutpatti will not work. We say yes, Atma is not Adhikarana like Nayayika. You say, what about Jnapti? Bhava Vachaka. Say that you are saying if it is Jnapti, Bhava Vachaka, what is the dosha? Atma will become Vikari. Because that is Kriya indicated by the Bhava. So we say Atma is Avikari. Therefore, Jnanam does not mean Vrityatmaka Jnana. Our Jnanam is Krutastha Jnana. So you see now, evam mukhyaya vritya jnanadi shabdavaচ্যत्वम atmano na upapadyate iti pratipadite tava api etat tulyam. You also have the same thing, everything. Iti ashanke ishtapatya pariharati. He says, yes, I agree with all whatever you have said. I like this analysis, he says. Because I want to prove Atma is Kutastha Nitya. And that is the meaning of the word Jnanam. So 57th shloka we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।